Greetings Jira admins. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to import and export gadget configurations across different Jira instances. This can be particularly helpful during server migration to Jira Cloud. Navigate to Admin Settings and click on Apps. Find the Performance Objectives app. And click on Advanced Settings. You will see a list of dashboards and gadgets with the following options: Preview, Copy, Export Gadget Configuration, and Delete. Click the export icon for the chosen gadget, then click Copy Text. Go to the destination instance and dashboard. Click the import icon. Paste the configuration into the window. And click on Import. Repeat for all performance objectives gadget configurations you want to migrate. Please note that to ensure consistent chart configurations across different instances, it is essential to firstly migrate key Jira data.